It was a clear black night, a clear white moon. Warren G was on the streets trying to consume some stuff for the ear so I could get some phones, rolling my ride, shining all alone.
Just hit the east side of the LBC on a mission trying to find Mr. Warren G. Seen a car full of girls, ain't no need to tweak. All you search what's up with 213.
So I hooked select on 2-1 and Lewis and brother shooting back. So I said, let's do this. I jumped out the rock and said, what's up? Some brothers pulled some, so I said, I'm
Since
stuck.
these girls peeping me, I'm a guy who's swerve. These looking so hard, they straight into the curve. Bunch of bigger, better things than some horny tricks. I see my homie and some suckers all in his mix.
I'm getting jacked, I'm breaking myself. I can't believe it. They taking Warren's wealth. They took my rings, they took my Rolex. I looked at the brother, said, damn, what's next?
They got my homie hemmed up and they all around. Can't none of them see him if they going straight down for pound. They wanna come up real quick before they start to clown. I best pull out my and lay them bust.